The objective of this lesson is to teach you a cool trick that will make your data instantaneously look nicer and that won't take you any time. So here we go. We have here a set of data that I downloaded from the internet, and what we could do is use conditional formatting that you see here under home to make our data look really nice. So let's look at quantity. I'm going to select the whole column, quantity, then I'll go to conditional formatting, and then I'll go to data bars. And then if you can see down, I have so many formats of data bars I can use. So I'm going to use this one. And automatically what it does, it looks at my data and then it reflects it with bars, from small bars for a low quantity, for example, to big bars for a high quantity. And if I change the number, the bar readjusts, as you can see. Now let's look how we can play with this a bit more. So if I go to conditional formatting after selecting my data, I can go to manage rules. And here, if I double click on the rule, I can do some changes. So if I don't like the color, I can change the color and select another one. That's one thing I can do. The other thing, I can change the border, I can change the color of the border, etc. All these things. The most important thing that you see here is the minimum and the maximum. So those values are automatically taken now, but I could change them manually. So I can say, for example, I want it to be a number, and here I want it to be a number, and my maximum would be, for example, 1000. If I do this, you will notice that the bars will become very small very fast. So that allows you to adjust how big the bars are by changing this in the conditional formatting. So I go back to manage rules, you double click on the rule, and then you can just remove it. Now another thing I want to show you is that you can make this dynamic. So for example, I can take my minimum value from this cell, and then my maximum value, I can take it from this cell. Then I say okay. So now it's 0, 0. So that's why everything is like filled. But I can do 0 and 200, for example. And as you can see, these bars will change dynamically based on what I do. And again, to make my data look better, I can select this, conditional formatting, data bars, and this time I can select the blue ones